Welcome to your Sens City, a sustainable smart city. The Sens IoT Cloud is the neuralgic centre of our company. To answer all our customers' needs, we use the most advanced security systems. At Sens Solutions, our property-owned sensors system ensures our data quality. In a global economy, we all have different needs. At Sens Solutions, our products are adapted to improve people's health and well-being. Hydro S3DP is a patented system for the detection and prevention of Legionella and other bacteria through biofilm growth monitoring in water, has a low energy consumption and allows, among others, a non-intrusive bypass installation. The sensor's measurements are not affected by any physico-chemical changes in water. It has been designed to offer real-time monitoring, allowing immediate alerts on any device. This robust and precise system is incorporated into any water air conditioning and domestic hot water installation. It does not require calibration and maintenance tasks are optimized. Sens Solutions. Solutions that make sense.